The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I started by connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue and found the code P0326, knock sensor 1 circuit range / performance bank 1 or single sensor. This code typically indicates a problem with the knock sensor or its circuit, which is responsible for detecting engine knock, uncontrolled combustion, and helping the engine control module adjust timing to prevent damage. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the knock sensor signal parameter did not respond as it should. This suggested that the sensor might not be functioning correctly. Next, I visually inspected the knock sensor and its wiring harness for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections, but found no obvious faults. To rule out a wiring issue, I used a multimeter to check for a short in the knock sensor signal wire circuit. The wiring was intact, with no signs of a short or open circuit. To confirm the problem, I backprobed the knock sensor signal wire with the key on and used a lab scope to monitor the sensor's signal. While lightly tapping on the engine block with a hammer to simulate engine knock, I monitored the lab scope for an AC voltage signal. A functioning knock sensor should generate a measurable signal in response to vibrations or knocks, but in this case, the sensor produced no observable signal. This confirmed that the knock sensor was faulty and needed to be replaced. I replaced the faulty knock sensor with a new one, ensuring it met the manufacturer's specifications. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. The knock sensor is a critical component for detecting engine knock and ensuring the engine operates efficiently and safely. A faulty knock sensor can lead to poor performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential engine damage if the issue is not addressed. Replacing the defective sensor restored the system's functionality, ensuring the vehicle could operate at its best.